Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Leadsmap with Martian Genius. Martian Genius is a website that gives you access to newly launched Shopify stores. So as a freelancer that offers services that are targeted at Shopify stores owner, you will need this. Firstly, you will need to navigate to the website. Martian Genius is already on the suggested website on the app, so you can just click on it directly here and it takes you directly to the website. But just for you to learn how to access, because this app works with other platforms as well, so you can also search it using the search test input. So search for whatever website you want to scout or you want to reach out to contact from. You want to use the contact the website provide. So in this case, I'm going to be searching for Martian Genius. Now this is Martian Genius, martiangenius.io. It's the first website suggested by Google SERP in this case. So you click on the website. Now, in case you are not familiar with Martian Genius, like I mentioned earlier, Martian Genius is a website that gives you access to Shopify stores. Ones that are newly launched or ones that are being launched. As you can see, it lists some numbers here. So these are the dates at which if you click on any of these dates, you will access Shopify stores that are launched on this particular date. For instance, in this case, I'll click on 05/31 of May 2025. This will take me to the website that are launched or that were launched on the 31st of May 2025. Ads, close the ads. So here is the page. As you can see, a total of 89 stores were found. Actually, this does not necessarily mean this is the total number of Shopify stores that were launched on this particular day, but these were the ones that the platform Martian Genius were able to index on their website. So if you look up this same date on some other websites, I'll be talking about some of the other websites in more of my videos. You may get to find more websites that were launched on this particular date, but on Martian Genius we have only 89 stores that were found, and all of them are Shopify stores. Now if you take a look at them, you see that they are listing store URL, and you also notice that they are listing email addresses and some phone numbers. These are the contact details of those Shopify stores. But I want you to know that Martian Genius are not able to get the emails of all these stores. So sometimes you will have to visit this website one after the other to access their contact address. Some of them will have their social media contacts in their website, and some will have their emails or phone or WhatsApp number on their website. So how do you do this? Traditionally, the way you do this is by copying this link and pasting it on your browser, and this is very tedious. It is very stressful. But with Leadsmap, you do not have to do that. All you just have to do is to click on the plus icon on the bottom right of your screen. Clicking on this bottom icon, plus icon on the bottom left or bottom right of your screen, it comes up with two options: extract emails or extract URL. If you extract emails, it's going to extract all the emails on the platform. I think we should try that first. So extract email. The emails have been extracted. These are all the emails that are available on that page on Martian Genius. And as you can see, the email are segmented according to the provider of each emails. So we have Outlook, we have Yahoo, we have Gmail, and we have others. These websites also have the ability, this app also have the ability to filter out spam and invalid email. So you don't have to waste your time reaching out to unnecessary contacts, unnecessary leads. So in this case, I'm going to be using the Gmail. You can switch to all to just message all, but I'm going to be using Gmail in this tutorial. So there are two ways you can reach out to them on this platform. You can either reach out individually, that means messaging each email one after the other, or you can reach out to them in bulk. So firstly, I'll show you how to reach out to them individually. It is not stressful. You just have to click on the contacts and it will open up the email in your email app. As you can see, it takes me directly to my email app. I believe you should have a message already constructed that you want to be using to reach out to your prospect to propose your offer. In this case, I'm going to be using hello. Send. Immediately, as you can see, immediately I send the hello, it takes me back to the app so I can reach out to more emails. Hello. Now, as you are messaging each of these contacts, it's keep record of that. So these are the in the filter, using the filter drop down above, you can filter to the contacts you have already messaged or those you have not messaged at all. You can also use this copy icon to copy if you feel more convenient copying and pasting the email one after the other. So this is how to message them individually. You can use this filter drop down to filter those you have messaged in case you did not finish messaging all the contacts in one tutorial, in one at a time. You can always start from where you stopped the next time you visit the app. Now, to message them in bulk, you can click on the bulk mail icon, bulk mail button at the bottom right of the screen. And then it's come up with this modal where you get to select how many numbers you want to be messaging at a time, how many numbers of email you want to open up at a time. You can select from 5, 10, 25, 50, 99, and 100. In this case, I'll select 10. So it segments them into 10. Each segment contains 10 emails. So I can either copy or I can open directly in email. As you can see, it has 10 emails. So I can just message every one of them once. And it takes me right back to the website, to the app. Now you can see the number of emails I've messaged are lots. So now this is how to reach out using email from Martian Genius. In case you do not finish reaching out to all the emails, in some cases you may get to find a large number of email lists, and you may not get to finish messaging every one of them at once. Whatever time you open the app next, you can always navigate to the history section, click on the menu, go to history, and under emails you will find the ones you are yet to delete. The emails, all the list of the emails you have extracted, you are going to find them under history. So you can start. This is the list of all those you have messaged. This is the list of those you are yet to message. This way you can start from where you stop anytime. So next I'm going to be showing you how to visit website URL one after the other. This video is getting too long, so I'm going to do that in the next video. Stay tuned.